Well, first of all, I would like to express my thanks graduate to Mrs. Herlina Rahim as the first examiner, Mrs. Sari Wahyuni as the second examiner, and Mrs. Fitri Junianti as the third examiner. Thanks to Mrs. Dwi Setiorini as my first academic advisor and Mrs. Melanie Ganing as my second advisor. Thank you all for attending my proposal seminar today. I am Sherwin Armayani and I will now present my proposal seminar with the title Production of Briquette from a Combination of Coconut Shell and Pine Fruit with Tapioca Flour Binder. First, background. This is for background. The demand for energy is social continues to increase in year by year. However, most of the energy used still come from fossil fuels such as coal and kerosene, whose supplies are depleting and price continue to rise. This solution calls for the exploration of alternative energy sources that are environmentally friendly, economical, and sustainable. One promising alternative energy source by biomass. Biomass refers to organic materials derived from plants, agricultural waste, and byproducts of plantation industrial. As an agrarian country, Indonesia has abundant biomass potential, but much of this biomass waste is not optimal utilized and is often simply discarded. Charcoal briquettes are one form of biomass utilization as a solid fuel that can serve as an alternative energy source. Briquettes are made from a carbon-rich material that can shape and compete using a blender. In this study, coconut shell and pine fruit were selected as the main raw material from briquette production. By combining coconut shell and pine fruit with a tapioca flour binder, this study aimed to produce charcoal briquette with optimal calorie value. The combination of their two materials is expected to provide an excite and expect affordable and environmentally friendly alternative fuel. This is problem formulation and objective. The first problem formulation: how does the variation in composition between coconut shell and pine fruit affect the quality of briquette? The second objective: to determine the effect of concentration variation between coconut shell and pine fruit on briquette quality. Proposed research. The first from Pramuda and Siregar, from title Characterization of briquette made from a mixture of coconut charcoal powder and banana from using molasses as a binder. For research if charcoal from banana stem is combined with charcoal from coconut shell, it will produce a briquette with optimal properties. The second from Ghazali and Teng, from title Quality Testing of Charcoal Briquettes from Pyrolysis Pine Fruit as an Alternative Fuel. Next, frame of mind. This is frame of mind. The first is energy crisis and the independence from fossil fuels. Next, the potential of waste as a raw material for renewable energy. The third, the raw material has a high lignin cellulose content. Fourth, making biomass briquette from a combination of coconut shell and pine nut. Next, the fifth, analysis of calorie value as content and water content. The third, methodology. Methodology, the first, preparation. The next, coconut shell and pine cone. Next, clean the dried at a temperature of 105 for 3 hours. The fourth, outer shape for 3 days. Next, milling and shelving. Next, mixing with at efficient. Next, printing. The next, drying at 16 for 3 days. Then testing. The testing is heat, acid, and water. And then data analysis. In proposal, the data analysis is water rate as content, volatile matter, fixed carbon, and calorie value. We want to see in layer data analysis about hypothesis. Variation in the composition of coconut shell and pine nut will affect the characteristic of the briquette, such as their calorific value, moisture content, ash content, and combustion resistance. Briquettes with a higher coconut shell content have a higher calorific value because coconut shell have a higher carbon content. However, by adding pine cones to the active position, it will increase the binding power and improve the structure of the briquette because pine cones contain natural resin which acts as a natural adhesive. Thank you for today.